Do you know that your customers can place their orders directly using mobile phone ordering through food delivery app, or you may have own dedicated web browser to place their orders? When a customer completes place an order, the orders will directly store into post system and printed accurately to dedicated kitchen printers at your outlet level. As soon as your customer order is ready and properly packed, rider is on this way to pick up at your outlet. Epoint Q Panel Display System, a digital display panel to organize for collection by the food delivery partners. Always keep the safety distance between your staff and riders. Cirrus Back Office Systems allowed you can view various reports, such as sales report, by various sales made by food delivery partners. Want to know more? Click the link below for demo request. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and share.